the wide tires, and technical motor.
Steve here, NRC. Today we're going to give the Tamiya Street Rover a test run. The GPS speed meter. I got a 2S LiPo and I got a 6-cell NiMH pack here. And we're just going to give him a run and see how fast she goes. Alright, I have the GPS meter on. You can see it right there. Now we're going to go hit the drag strip and see how fast she goes. Six-cell NiMH pack, and this has a 20-turn motor in it. There she goes. Just want to make sure I get it wide open so I get top speed here. Let's see what it got. .5 miles an hour. So 19.5 miles an hour on the NiMH pack. We're gonna have to hook the LiPo up and see how that goes. .2S LiPo. Out with the NiMH. Almost ready to go. Alright. See what she does. 19.5 was with the 6-cell NiMH pack. Let's see what the 2S LiPo can do. Let her go. Oh yeah, looks more peppy and feels more peppy to me. Look at it go. Alright, bring her back. See what we got. "21 miles an hour. Now I'm just gonna take it out for a little spin. This thing's fun, and the tires on it, they don't grip the best, but they last forever. You could like fishtail it all over the place. They're so wide they don't wear out too fast. Just gonna sit down and enjoy it. There we go. Street Rover. Street ripping fun. Put a little WD-40 coated on the tires and let it dry in before you take one of these out. Makes it handle a little bit better. This thing looks awesome too in action. Whoa. Look at that. Looks like a beauty. Alright guys, that's it. Street Rover. Thanks for watching. I appreciate the support as always. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Leave a comment if you can, a thumbs up. We'll see you next time. ShenRC out. Hit that bell for future videos.
Tamiya plastic models, #1 in quality around the world. Look at the Street Rovers. Handling capabilities. Road hugging, turns corners so fast and quickly with the independent suspension. Look at that buggy. Look at it go. The wide tires and technical motor. I'm lying, it doesn't have a technical motor. It has a Horizon Hobby 20-turn motor. See you next time, guys.